So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. How you can make $75 per hour driving for Uber. So we're gonna talk about some Uber hacks right now. We're gonna talk about Surge, driving Uber Black, all the possibilities you can do. Now, 75 bucks an hour, this is driving smarter, not harder. So some people drive 84 hours a week. Izzy, who do you know who drives 84 hours per week for Uber?
Ronnie.
Ronnie SPE Tv, my friends.
SPE Tv.
Ronnie SPE Tv. I'm going to show you guys really quickly this guy. So if you want to make 2K a week, this guy goes out every single week and he makes, look at this. Oh, he made $3 grand a week last week. Holy moly. I think we need to talk about that and do a reaction video to that. Yeah, $2,000 a week in Charleston, South Carolina, $3,000 a week in New York. I mean, this dude's flying all over the country, driving for Lyft and Uber.
$3,300.
$3,300. So this is one strategy: is driving driving 84 hours per week, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, or what you could do is do something called surge hacking. So you guys all know how the Uber surge works, right? Is sometimes there will be like high paying rides or in certain areas, right? I'm just gonna show this really quick. So this is like the old surge, but it's basically the same thing. You'll pick up little like zones. And you guys see in the, where it says 3x or 3.7x right there, you see the little routes you can take to get there in Brentwood. So basically what you want to do is not, if there's an event, right, it's going to be like 3.7 right at the event. You don't want to drive to the event because you're going to get stuck in traffic. Instead, you want to like hang around the outskirts, wait for a ride to come, and then you want to drive through it and pick up the surge on the way in. That's called surge hacking. Now, another thing you can do, hold up, or I'll show you really quickly, guys. Let's see. This is really important. I swear, guys, just bear with me really quickly. So another thing you could do, I'm going to pull up a map of Los Angeles. So have you guys ever seen this map before?
In GTA, yeah.
Oh, in GTA?
Yeah.
So basically, the airport's right around here, right? Around Santa Monica? Where is it?
It's below Marina Del Rey.
Right here. There we go. LAX. So this can be potentially your moneymaker. This is where, in your area is going to be different, but around the airport is where you're going to be able to hit those $75 an hour marks, because you can essentially get rides to the airport, and then rides from the airport, and make 50 bucks in that hour, 100 bucks in that hour, and then it's going to start averaging out to like a really high paying amount. Especially if you have Uber XL, you want to make sure you get an old van, some van that qualifies for Uber XL so you can take large groups of people. Doing this on Uber X is nearly impossible, my friends. And the best way to do this is literally go buy a used van for like 5,000 bucks. Who cares? You don't need a fancy car. Go get an old Honda van, old Toyota van. Just get something that qualifies for Uber XL. Look at your requirements. Make sure it qualifies the year. And then go buy that car or trade in your current car for it. And then you just want to hang out. So where's the airport at again? It's right
there, like below Marina Del Rey, like next to Inglewood.
Yeah, right around here, right? Oh, here it is. Yeah, this airport. So what you want to do is not drive to the airport. What you want to do is you want to hang out in like a suburb that like people go to the airport from. So where is a wealthy area that goes to the airport around here, Izzy?
Brentwood?
Brentwood. Yes, it's pretty close to the airport, or even like Beverly Hills. Right around here, or Pacific Palisades, right around here too, right? Hang around up here because these people are going to go down to the airport and boom, if you have an XL, you get all these rich families going down there. It's a $50 ride, $100 ride. And then Uber will automatically skip the line for you so that you can get another ride out. And maybe your ride out will take you down to, I don't know, Long Beach. And then boom, that's a long ride from Long Beach to the airport. And that's another 50 bucks, 100 bucks. And then maybe after Long Beach, who knows, maybe you'll get another ride over to, I don't know, Fullerton or something. You want to make sure you hang around these areas and wait for these really long rides. You might need to deny a few short rides and try to do this airport strategy. There's some people, and then you could also use your destination filters, especially if you're doing Uber and Lyft too. Some drivers are like really hacking the system because there's not a lot of drivers who figure this out. So that's how to make 75 bucks an hour with Uber. And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.